Here is a very important test question where we are going to find a general term and then write down the next term in the sequence. So you will understand how do we write general term for a given sequence. And of course, finding next term is not very difficult in most of the cases. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Our students are right there on the top getting admission to the best universities. You can be there. Now let's look into the given test question. Write general term for the given sequence and then write next term. So two things. First write the general term and then the next term. Sequences 2, 4, 10, 28, 82. So let's write down the sequence which is given to us as 2, 4, 10, 28, 82. Definitely it is non-linear. Let's write down the term numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we also want to know what is the sixth term in this particular sequence. So let's begin with standard method of finding the first difference, right? So standard method, first difference. First difference, 4 minus 2 is 2, 10 minus 4 is 6, 28 minus 10 is 18, 82 minus 28 is 54, right? So what we notice here is the first difference, 2, 6, 18, 54, is exponential in nature, right? So here it is times 2, right? Each term is times 3, right? Times 3. So we see if I have to go from 2 to 6, it is times 3. Then again, that difference is times 3, and this is also times 3. We can multiply this by 3, get the number, add it, and get our sixth number. We could do that. Great. But now the idea is to find the general term. So, general term is related with power of 3, right? Power of 3. Correct. So, let's write down the powers of 3 and then find what it could be, right? Okay. So, we can see that as far as 4 is concerned, let's go to a new page, okay? So, once again, I'm writing down this sequence for you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We want to write sixth term. Sequence is 2, 4, 10, 28, 82. So we know that times 3, right? 3 is critical. So let's write down the powers of 3, right? Okay. So powers of 3, how do they relate with 2, 4, 10? We know 10 is 3 square plus 1, right? And 3 cube plus 1 is 28. This is 3 to the power of 1 plus 1, correct? And 2 is what? 3 to the power of 0 plus 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. You get the idea. So here we know 3 to the power of 4 is 81 and we get 82 by adding 1. So we know that now the general term should be 3 to the power of what? 1 less than the term number, right? So n minus 1 plus 1. That becomes our general term. Perfect. So what will be the sixth term? So T6 will be 3 to the power of 6 minus 1 plus 1. which is 3 to the power of 5 plus 1. So 81 times 3 you can do, right? So 81 times 3 will be 8 times 3 is 243, and then add 1. So that gives you 244 as the next term. Is that clear to you? So that is how we are going to find the solution of this particular problem. You see how the first difference gave us a clue that this is an exponential function times 3 each time. So we related each and every term in the sequence with powers of 3 and got our general term. So I hope you understand this specific method of doing things. Perfect. Feel free to write a comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.